So the first one is from Manisha. Manisha is saying, hi, please tell me how can I attract desired number of clients and generate desired income? Please, please, please. Great question, Manisha. First of all, I would highly recommend after watching this video, you should watch another video that I have made in this Q&A series where I reply to Davis how to grow a business online and how to generate sale. Now, when it's coming to attract desired number of client and generate desired income, first of all, you have to understand there are two parts to it. One is the vibrational part or the mindset where the law of attraction comes in, and the second is the functional part where the business function comes in. In the first part, you have to set a goal of how many clients you want. Sometimes while setting the goal, don't set excessively higher goals that it will make you feel doubtful or make you feel very negative. Sometimes people make this mistake of starting to set super high, super big goal. Some people stay consistent, they get excited with super goals. But sometimes a large number of people, if you set way too big goal, then you get scared and you start doubting. So what you have to say, you have to say a bigger goal, but it should not be so big that you start doubting, because you should grow your business progressively. Set a goal, the number of client you want, the amount of income that you want, and then you focus on aligning your vibration, being positive about this business, attracting the right client, doing affirmation, doing visualization, and being absolutely positive, being grateful to all the clients, whoever is coming to you, serving them with so much of positivity, so much of happiness that they will become your brand ambassador, they will attract, they will refer more people. So, and also being in that state that I am creating amazing work for people, I am offering the product or the service that you are offering, with utmost dedication, utmost positivity. You should be excited in running this business, and you should feel that this is something really, really worthy you are doing. So your vibration will be aligned, and then you can do some sales affirmation, business affirmation, and most importantly, you have to keep your money vibration aligned, because when you keep your money vibration aligned, then only business succeed. The second part is for you to work on the functional side of the business. What kind of business is this? How can you promote it? What are the different ways? And today's world, no matter what kind of business you are running, you have to use social media and online marketing platforms to promote your business. If you are not yet doing, you have to start doing it. Maybe you can promote it on Instagram, promote it on Facebook, promote it on YouTube. You can run ads if you want to run ads, or you can create content, you can create reels, you can put it on Instagram, so that people will get aware about your business. In business, remember, these three things are very, very important. Discoverability, people should discover your business, people should know about your business, where it is, what product you offer, what service you offer. Then second is credibility. When they get to know about it, they should feel that you are a credible business owner. There is something worthy, there is something ethical, there is something positive, there is a value in it. And when they become your customer, then they become so satisfied that they become your brand ambassador. So that when they become your customer, you serve them, you help them, you resolve their issues, you give them the best product, you give them the best service, so that they loved it and they can start telling it to other people. Because we are living in a age where there is no limitations on word of mouth marketing, and that is the best form of marketing. So today, anyone who like your product or service, they can go to Facebook, they can go to Instagram, they can go to LinkedIn, and they can put a shorts or reels or write a post how much they love your product, and 10 other people, 100 other people, 1,000 other people can get to know about it, and they become your customer. So that's why it's very, very important for you to work on the discoverability, so that you can be online, your business has online presence. It's not necessary you have to have e-commerce store if it is not relevant, but some pages, some visibility should be there, so that people should discover your business. Then credibility, and then you create that satisfaction that people will become your brand ambassador. These three things are very, very important. Just by doing affirmation or visualization, your business is not going to create this. You have to work on both the side. But when you do the visualization, when you work on the vibration part, all these things get aligned. You get all the right idea, right people who can help you in doing it and who can show you the path, and everything works beautifully. Especially in growing business, one thing is most important is money vibration. The money vibration, because in any business, what we are creating, the form of exchange is money energy. What we are getting out of the business, it's the money, revenue, profit, everything is coming into you in the form of monetary money. So money vibration has to be aligned, and we have a program called Raise Your Money Vibration, where so many business owners and self-employed professionals, real estate agents, and so many people are part of that program. And they create tremendous success, they create tremendous growth when they join this program, because their money vibration get aligned. Because especially people who are first generation business owners or self-employed professional, they have the genuine interest or alignment to offer best product or service or doing the best thing, but they have a lot of unconscious or subconscious negative beliefs about money that they were not aware of, and that is impacting their business. So you have to work on raising your money vibration so that the manifestations should happen and the business should grow very, very fast. I believe you got the insight. Let's go to the next question. Next one is from Awesome. Yeah. Hello, Ajay sir. I am from Sikkim. Great. Please tell me, how can I manifest money? Great. So again, like relevant to the last question, how can you manifest money? So to manifest money, first is like the money belief and the money vibration we have. What kind of money belief we have? We have to check our money belief, whether our beliefs are positive or negative and aligned or not aligned. Then consistently, in spite of where we are, consistently we have to work upon raising our money vibration by doing meditation, affirmation, different tools, techniques which will raise our money vibration, that we are open for it, we are ready to receive. And then we have to ask ourselves, what I can give in exchange of receiving the money. So that, because money is an energy which exchange everything, so what I am going to give money, what I am going to give my energy into it, so that in return I'll get a lot of money. So if you are already a professional or a business owner or a self-employed professional or something, then you can ask yourself, how can you do it better? If you are not yet there, then you have to ask, how can I offer some energy that I'll get money in exchange? Whether I have to start a business, I have to start get it into a job, I have to get into a high paying job, I have to do a freelancing work, I have to be a digital marketer, I have to be a content creator, I have to be a photographer, editor, whatever. So you have to look for, if you're not yet there, along with strengthening money vibration, you have to keep looking for where your skill set lies, in what profession you can do, how can you give energy, your energy forward in the universe, so that the universe will reward you with a lot of money. So that's what you have to do. And once you start with that, give as much positive energy as you can, through your service, through your product, through your work, through your profession, through your dedication, through your job, through whatever you are doing. And as you do it, money will flood into your life. That's the key of the universe, that's how the universe works. And along with that, if you like, we you can join one of our powerful program, Raise Your Money Vibration. We teach a lot of money manifestation techniques that you can use. Along with that, there are some powerful money affirmation I have made, which are on our channel. Money visualization videos are there on our channel, that also you can do on a regular basis to raise your money vibration and attract money. And you can do it, there is absolutely no doubt in it. And it doesn't matter from where you are right now or what stage you are right now, whether you got clarity or not. Start following this advice and everything will be a game changer for you. Now, the next question is from Priya. Priya is saying, please make video to manifest more income. Again, Priya, the similar question I have already replied in the last two answers. And we have some videos, dedicated videos on our channel on manifesting income. But like I said in the last answer, income comes to you in two ways. One is with your positive belief and vibration, and second is in the exchange of energy. So sit and ask yourself, how is your money belief, how is your money vibration? If you are coming from a family or a situation where there was always financial challenges, then you bound to have a lot of negative beliefs about money. No worry, you can change it with affirmation, with meditation, with visualization, with techniques, with tools, and money vibrations should get positive. Second is what you can give in exchange of the money that you can receive. What energy you can share. Share some energy with your creativity, with your talent, with your skill, with your ideas, with your innovation. And when you offer that energy in the universe, the universe will reward you with the money energy. So think about it, work on it, and money manifestation will become easier. Remember, there is a saying that the the bigger problem you solve in this world, the more money you can make. So all these billionaires that you see, they solve much bigger problem in the world. So that's why they make billions of dollars. Someone is like innovating new technologies, new things, new opportunities, employed lakhs of people doing extraordinary work. That's why they are creating. But everyone starts somewhere from small. So start with whatever you can offer, with your creative skill, with your innovation skill, with your management skill, with your educational qualification, with profession, anything that you are, whether it's coming from your education, whether it's coming from your passion, whether it's coming from your creativity, innovation, whatever you can offer in any form, start offering at a professional, and money will start coming into your life. So money is always there. You have to be aligned and you have to offer the energy, and it will get aligned with you and you can manifest. So that's all for today. If this video is an eye opener and insightful for all of you, do let me know in the comment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Lots of love, lots of gratitude to all of you. Keep manifesting. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe right now. Thank you.